Hi, it's Lee Reams with ClientWorks Pro with another product update. Today's feature is in the Client Hub. You'll notice a new red icon down here in the bottom, and it says record audio clips. So think of it as a ability to send a voice message to your clients through the security of the Client Hub. Use cases could be just a polite, message, greeting them, personalizing, here's your tax return, please take a look. These are the things I want you to, look out for. Let me know if you have any questions. So it's just another way to enhance your client experience. It is super simple to use. I'm going to go ahead and just hit the red button here, and I'm going to record a short message. Hey there, John. It's Lee Reams from Lee Reams and Associates. I got your message about the updated 1099 forms. Here's the plan. First, I'll need you to send me a copy of any new or revised documents as soon as you can, and I'll update your return on my end. Once everything's in place, I'll double check the numbers to make sure we've got all your credits and deductions right. If we run into any hiccups or if you have any more questions, just shoot me a note or give me a call. I'm here to keep things running smoothly so you don't have to worry about a thing. Thanks, and let's talk soon. So now I can end the message. It will go ahead and process. And then I can decide, hey, do I want to send any other messages? Do I want to attach any documents here? I have the ability then just to put that in here. So let's just put a message in here real quick. I have all of that now here. Again, if you wanted to add an attachment, you can. You can also delete. You can speed up or slow down your message, and you can proof it if you're happy with it. I'll just do that real quick. Hey there, John. It's Lee Reams from Lee Reams. I think you get the general idea there. And if I were going to send it, I just hit the send button and it is on its way. We hope you like this new feature. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to our help desk at help@countingworkspro.com, or you can always give us a call at 800-442-2477, extension 4 for the help desk. And we obviously still have the online chat availability. So again, I hope you like this new feature. We hope you use it a lot. Thank you.